All right, let's get started trading levels. I have my full workspace up here. Oops, let's get this out of the way. I have the daily 4-hour, 60-minute chart tabbed on the top left, 15-minute in the middle top, 5-minute on the top right, 1 minute down here. And notice I'm missing the 10-minute down here. So first things first, I've loaded up market replay from Friday, December 12th, 2025. I'm going to create a new chart for the 10 minutes so you can see how to set up one of these charts. So I'm going to go to new chart. I'm going to select gold for now. This is going to be a 10-minute chart. I have some small modifications that I like to these charts. I like the bar width to be 3. Days to load, I don't need that many days. I'm just going to load 1 for now for performance. Let's see, I like the red bars to be Azure, I think it is. That way it contrasts with the background higher time frame candles indicator. So let's start there. I may have to come back and make some changes, but let's check it out. All right, so now if you click on your chart, and I have a little app that you have to pay for, but it's pretty cool and it's cheap. It's called Max 2. And it will set up zones so that you can click the window key and then snap your charts into different zones on your screen. There we go. That's back. So now we're going to quickly set up add all the indicators that we need for this chart. So we need, first things first, we're going to start with the basics. We're going to bring in the drawing tool, tile. We're going to add the label remover. Oops, where'd I go? All one word. We're going to add I like the Alighten bar timer. I just created this so that I didn't have to look down and to the right. It has its drawbacks. It doesn't continue to count until data is flowing. So at night it will pause the bar timer until someone places an order. But anyway, one of these days I'll fix that. The Alighten button panel, and I think we're on V1. And then the higher time frame. Oops. I could type higher time frame candles. These default to 60, that's perfect. The only thing I change is I don't want the outline to be 100% opacity. So I just click that. And then let's get into the good stuff, which is the levels, which is the Alighten level multi-time frame. And the current version is 29. Okay. So the first thing we want to make sure we change, since this is a 10-minute chart, we need to set this up for the 10-minute zigzag. There's a reason why you have to do this. It's in order for the zigzags to work on non-time-based bars like Renko bars. That's why that is the way it is. We need to make sure that pattern A is selected, pattern B is selected. If we want to see more historical pattern A's, we need to increase the number of max pivot crosses, these pivot cross levels. For performance reasons, I limit it to 2 because every time a bar closes, it rescans the chart and looks for these. So for performance reasons, even though we're on a 10-minute chart, I still limit it to 2. If you want to see more, increase this number. Awesome. So that's what my chart typically looks like. Let's get this bar width back down to a normal size bar width. It's a little bulky here, actually. So that's what I like my charts to look like.